Hi there, how's it going? This is Dean here from Raqmedia.com. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to install Facebook app in your iPhone. Welcome back. The first thing you need to do is to open the App Store in your iPhone. You can do this by tapping on the App Store icon on your home screen. Once you are in the App Store, you need to search for the Facebook app. To do this, just tap on the search bar at the top or at the bottom of the screen and type in Facebook. Good. And this one. Once you find this app, you just hit get or install. Just hit get. You'll be prompted to install it. Done. Progress bar will start downloading the app. Just be patient. So it is almost done. If you go back to the home screen, you find that the app, the icon has changed from downloading to installing. And voila, it has finished installing. Now all we need to do is just to hit the icon. If you are not already signed in to your Facebook account, you will need to do so now. To do this, just tap in onto the login. Just enter your mobile or your email. Next, you just hit your password and select login, and you can start using your Facebook without any problems. If you are not sure if you have the latest version of the Facebook app, you can check by opening the App Store and tapping on the Updates tab. If there is an update available, it will be listed in the top of the list. If you are having trouble finding the Facebook app in the App Store, you can try searching for Facebook Messenger instead. Messenger is a separate app from Facebook but still owned by Facebook, and it allows you to access all the same features as the main Facebook app. That's it. That's how you install the Facebook app in your iPhone. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.